Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Today we're going to talk about the expression, throw in the towel. Have you heard of this expression before? The expression throw in the towel means to stop trying to do something, or in other words, to give up. Ayaw mo na. Ayaw mo nang gawin, give up ka na. So you use the expression, throw in the towel. All right? Okay, so let's look at some conversation examples so we can use it in the context. Conversation example number 1. Hi Tom, how are your guitar lessons going? Oh, I threw in the towel last month. I was just too busy with my basketball practices. Okay, so that means he gave up on his guitar lessons. Okay, sorry about the barking dogs. Now let's look at conversation example number 2. I have to quit gym. It's just tiring. No, you can't throw in the towel now. Exercise is good for your health. So that means you can't give up now. Okay, so that's another way to say it. All right? Okay. Okay, it's your turn to answer this question. Have you ever thrown in the towel? If you have, tell me more about it, in 2 or 3 sentences. This is a great way to practice using the expression. Just answer in the comment section, okay? And then I'll respond to it. I will say bravo or excellent, or if there's something that I need to correct, I would also put it in there. I would say, oh, I think you need an ing there, or I think you have to write it in the past, and so on. So this is a great way to interact with each other. I'm here to help you, so don't be shy. Just write in your sentence or 2 sentences using the expression. Okay? All right. Cool. That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.